Welcome to Conic Section Series by Dr. Kamal Asif. In this one, we are going to draw ellipse by intersecting arc method. So without wasting time, let's move on to the process of drawing the ellipse by this method. So here is the problem for drawing the ellipse by intersecting arc or foci method. So the problem says that the distance between foci, that is focus 1 and 2, is given as 96 millimeter and the major axis is 110 millimeter. So construct the ellipse with this information. So our first step is to draw the major axis, which is 110 millimeters. So here is the axis. This is our point A and B, and this length is 110 millimeters. Now from the center, we have to locate the point of center. From the center, we mark the distance of focus 1 and 2. Now the distance between focus is 96 millimeters. So from the center O, the distance of this focus will be 48 millimeters on each side of O. So the distance between this is now 96 millimeters. Then our next step is to divide the distance between F1 and F2 into some equal number of parts, and these parts should be even. It can be 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, but it cannot be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 or anything like that. So what we have to do, we draw a line from F1 at any angle, and then because we are going to divide this F1, F2 distance into 8 equal parts. So on this line, we have to take 8 arcs of equal radius. So this is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth arc. So once you have these arcs on this line, the next step is to join the last one with F2. So when you join this with F2 and then from other points draw lines parallel to this first one, so we have this type of thing coming out. So now you can see this line F1, F2 is divided into 8 equal parts. So we have 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, then O, and then 5 dash, then 6 dash, 7 dash, and then F2. These are the points in between F1 and F2. So the next step is to take some radius and draw arc, taking F1 as center one time and F2 as the center other time. So what is the radius? Our first radius is A1 dash, and once we have this radius, we have to draw the curve on either side of this line AB using center F1. So we take the radius A1 dash, and then from F1 we mark one arc on this side and one arc on the other side. Okay. Then with radius B1 dash, we take F2 as the center, and then we draw one arc on this side, on the above side of line AB, and one arc on the below side of this AB. So we will get these 2 points of intersection, one on the upper side, one on the lower side. Likewise, we keep on changing the radius and the center and get the remaining arcs. So when we take A2 dash as the radius and F1 as the center, so we get this arc and this arc on either side of this line AB. When we take B2 dash as the radius and F2 as the center, then we get this arc and this arc on either side of this line AB. Likewise, you keep on changing the distance. So the third one will be A3 dash, then AO, then A5 dash, then A6 dash, A7 dash. So likewise, from B also you will have B3 dash, BO, B5 dash, B6 dash, and B7 dash as the radius. So when we take these radius and interchange the focus point of drawing the arc, then we get these arcs on either side of line AB. So these are the points that you will get when you change the radius. And once you have these points, then you can join these points to draw the ellipse. And this is the method of drawing ellipse by intersecting arc or foci method. So here is the required ellipse.